In this video, I show you how to fix Messenger has stopped problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Messenger, click on Messenger, up-to-date your Messenger app if available any update version. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then go to See All Apps. Now search for Messenger app, click on Messenger, click on Force Stop, click on OK. Now click on Storage and Cache. Now click on Clear Storage, then click on Delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Messenger app. Now I hope that this method fix Messenger has a stopped problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.